everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 26th to the 30th of October 2020 on Monday. A tense Ngubane family meeting leads to Dabula and Mbovu making a surprising decision. Samson comes flying to Wamanzini to confront Melusi over the burning of his taxes, and Sbu has to intervene on Tuesday. Pumele refuses to be bullied by Mpihlangene and tells Fenyang and it's look like there is going to be trouble. Melusi and Mdu has the brutal fist fight over Mdu telling Samson about the taxes. On Wednesday, Mpihlangene continues to cause friction in the Zungu household with his desire to take over the family. Sihle tries to gain access to Beyonce, but Ntwetle is overprotective of her child on Thursday. Sihle is making dangerous plans for Ntwetle's baby. Just as Fenyang is about to formally propose to Phumelele, Mpihlangene and Sibalkhulu arrives at the house on Friday. Fenyang and Mpihlangene face off as Sibalkhulu demand that Phumelele return to the Zungus. Ntwetle unknowingly feeds her child poison. Melusi's life and future is in peril. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.